How to find square root of 4356 by long division method. You need to first make pair from right hand side to left hand side. This is your first pair, this is your second pair. Now work from pair this side. So this 43, you have to take here a number whose square will be equal to 43 or nearest to 43. So if you take here 6 squared equal to 36, but if you take here 7 squared equal to 49, which is greater than 43. So our guessing number 6 is correct. So take here 6 in the divisor side. 6. So since you have placed here 6, the same digit will come above the divisor, above the dividend, that is in quotient side. 6 times 6, 36. If you subtract, then you are getting this. You are getting 7. Bring down the next pair, 56. Okay. Now look, you have placed here 6 in the quotient side, so same digit will come under this divisor. So 6 plus 6, 12. Now look, you have to consider here a number, and the same you have to consider here a digit, and same digit will come here, and you need to multiply. Okay, and this product will be equal to this dividend or nearest to this dividend. If you place here 6, then what will happen? 6 times this. Okay, 6 times 6, 36. Write 6, carry 3 to the next column. 6 times 2, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Bring down 5, carry 1 to the next column. 6 times 1, 6, plus 1, 7. 756. 756. Okay, subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. So our answer is 66. To check this answer, since you have placed here the digit 6, so same digit will come under the divisor like this. So now add 6 plus 6, 12. Bring down 2, carry 1 to the next column. 2 plus 1, 3, then 1. The double of 66 is 132. Okay, this indicates that our answer 66 is correct. So the square root of 4356 by long division method is 66.